Hi students, uh, today I am going to start the new chapter called trigonometry. Actually, actual trigonometry starts from the second exercise, but this exercise is of just conversions of just a minute. Okay, conversions of degrees into radians and radians into degrees. I tell you, this is nothing but radians degrees means suppose if it is 180 degrees, we can write it as pi radians. 180 degrees means pi radians. Suppose if it is 30 degrees, you can take it as pi by 6. If it is 60 degrees, you can take it as pi by 3. And if it is 90 degrees, you can take it as pi by 2, like that. Now, what is the process of conversion of degrees into radians? I'll tell you. Suppose if you want to convert a degree into radian, you have to multiply the particular value into pi by 180, that particular value. If you want to multiply the radian into degree, you have to multiply that particular value into 180 by pi. But when you are converting in terms of degree, you will be asked to extend the process to convert into minutes and also into seconds. How the process is 60 minutes gives us 1 degree, and 60 seconds gives us 1 minute also. So using this concept we convert, and also we use here when you convert radian into degree, pi should be taken as 22 by 7. These are the important points to note when we start the exercise. Okay, now let me convert some easy ones so that we can start exercise. Suppose 180 degrees, to convert into radians, I told you into pi by 180. So it is pi radians. Second one, suppose 60 degrees into pi by 180, so it becomes 3 pi by 3. 90 into pi by 180, it becomes pi by 2. In the same way, suppose pi by 2 radians, same we do here, pi by 6 radians, pi by 6 into 180 by pi. Here it gets cancelled, it is 30 degrees, no doubt. So if pi is getting cancelled, you can do like that. But if pi is not getting cancelled, then you are supposed to write pi value as 22 by 7. Okay. Suppose if it is pi by 4 into 180 by pi gets cancelled, it is 45 degrees, like that. Sometimes there will be not pi by 4, there will be some 5 radians. You will be asked to convert it to degrees. I teach you now that. Okay. Please pause the video and check it carefully. Suppose if there is 5 radians, how to convert it to degree? See, while you are doing the whole exercise, I am writing here 60 minutes 1 degree, 60 seconds 1 minute, and pi value 22 by 7. Keep it fixed. Suppose convert 5 radians into degree. How to convert it? 5 radians, 5 into degree 180 by pi. Okay, 5 into 180 by 22 by 7. So it becomes 2 11s, 2 90s. It will go to the top. 5 into 630. 5 into 630 degrees. Now, by 11 degrees. 11 also. Okay, now 500, 5 3 is 15. 3150 by 11 degrees. But we are not supposed to leave like a fraction. Then what to do? I'll tell you. So make it a mixed fraction. 11 2s 22. It will be 95. 11 8s 88. 7 will be 70. 11 6 66. 4 will be left. 4 by 11 degrees. Okay, let us check it again. 11 2 is 22, 95, 11 8 is 88, 70, 11 6 66. 4 will be left. Okay, 4 by 11. Now you can write this as 286 degrees. 4 by 11 into 60 minutes. Because we took this as degree and this should be converted into minutes. Because 1 degree is, 60 minutes is 1 degree. So I convert this whole thing into minutes. Minutes, okay? Because degree can be converted into minutes by multiplying, minutes can be converted into degree by multiplying with 60. Degree can be converted into minutes by multiplying with 60. Now 286 degrees. Again it becomes 240 by 11 minutes. 286 degrees. Again you convert this. 11 2 is 22. 20, 11 1 is 11. 8. I think 9 by 11 minutes. 11 2 is 22. 20 again. 11 1 is 11. 9 will be left. Now what to do? 286 degrees. 21 minutes. 9 by 11 into 60 seconds. This is the symbol. When you are writing minutes, just one hyphen. When you are writing seconds, two hyphens. 286 degrees, 21 minutes, and you convert this as 540 by 11 seconds. Now it becomes 286 degrees, 21 minutes, 11 4s 44, 100, 11 9s. Just leave it like that. No need to write mixed fraction when you have it in seconds. Okay, let us start exercise. Exercise 3.1. The problems to convert degree into radians. Degree into radians, let us see. So first one, 25 degrees. Degree into radians into pi by 180. Into pi by 180. Okay. So 5 5s, 5 3s, 15, 36. 5 pi by 36. Over, that's it. Next, second one, minus 47 degrees, 30 minutes. See, when minutes are there, let us convert the whole thing into degree. Forget about minus. Plus 30 by 60 degrees. So this is degree now. Both are degree. 1 by 2. So minus 94 plus 1, 95 by 2 degree. Now degree to be converted into radian by multiplying with pi by 180. Pi by. Okay, it becomes 5 19s, 5 36. Minus 19 pi by 72. Don't bother about the minus, it will follow you. 240 degrees, 240 into pi by 180. As usual process. 0, 2 9s, 6 3s, 6 4s, 4 pi by 3. Fourth one, 520 degrees. 520 degrees. 520 into pi by 180. Okay. 52. 2 9s, 2 29s. So 29 pi by 9. So these are the conversions of radians. Okay. Now the second question is radians into degrees. Radians. First one is the first one. 11 by 16. 11 by 16 into radians into degrees means into 180 by pi. 180 by pi, and pi should be written as 22 by 7. I wrote there. So 11 by 16, 180 by 22 by 7. We write 7 like this. Okay. 11 2s and 2 90s and 2 8s, 2 45s. It becomes 7 5s 35, 28, 315 by 8 degrees. But we are not supposed to leave like this. How then? Let us convert. 8 3 is 24, 75, 8 9 72, 3 by 8 degrees. Okay, now let us convert. 39 degrees. 3 by 8 is minutes actually. So into 60 minutes. Actually it is degree. 3 by 8 degree. If you want to convert into minutes, minutes. 39 degrees. It becomes 4 2s, 4 15s, 45 by 2 minutes. 39 degrees 22 1 by 2 minutes. So you can write 39 degrees 22 minutes 1 by 2 into 60 seconds. 39 degrees 22 minutes 30 seconds is the answer. For the next question, -4. So please take this, I'll do the next problem. -4 radians into degrees. Okay, -4 into 180 by pi. So -4 into 180 by 22 by 7. 2 11s, 2 2s, -360 into 7. 2520 by 11. Let us check again. 360 into 7. 2520. Yes, this is degree. So let us convert into mixed fraction. 11 2 is 22. 32. Again 11 2 is 22. 100. 1 by 11 degree. Now you can write it as minus 229 degrees 1 by 11 into 60 minutes. 229 degrees 5 by 11 minutes. Minus 229 degrees 5 minutes 5 by 11 into 60 seconds. 229 degrees 5 minutes, this become 300 by 11 seconds. So minus 229 degrees 5 minutes 11 2s 22 87 27. So you can leave like that. The third one, it's a 5 pi by 3 radians into degree into 180 by pi. Pi gets cancelled, only to write 20 by 7, it is 60, 300 degrees over. Next one is 7 pi by 6. When pi is there, it is very easy. 180 by pi 30, it is 210 degrees. Clear? See the next question of the exercise. First of all, before that, I want to tell you, for one complete rotation, if you write it as this is a coordinate plane, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees, it will be. But when you write in radians, it will be pi by 2, it will be pi, it is 3 pi by 2, it will be 2 pi. When you write in radians. Okay, just remember that. For one complete rotation, if you rotate 360 degrees, in terms of radian, it will be 2 pi radians. For one complete revolution, we take 2 pi radians. Listen carefully. Now, in the third question, what did they say? A wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. 1 minute, 360 revolutions. How many revolutions, how many radians does it turn in 1 second? Okay. 1 second, how many revolutions it make? 360 by 60, it makes 6 revolutions. But you want it in radians. Okay. See, 1 revolution gives 2 pi radians. Now, how many revolutions we are having here? 6 revolutions will give how many radians now? 12 pi radians. This is the story. Okay. See the fourth problem. Find the degree measure. You are asked to convert it in terms of degree. Angle subtended to the center of the circle of radius r equal to 100. Arc of length is 22. See, circle. This is 100 and this is 22. and we are asked to find out the angle in terms of degree. Angle. Okay, let us see. So what is the formula of L? L is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r according to your 10th grade concept. 22 equal to theta. Theta we have to find out by 360 into 2 pi into 2 pi. Radius is 100. We need that. Now you are asked to take pi value as 22 by 7 because we need it in degrees. So 22 and 22 gets cancelled. Now it becomes this also gets cancelled. Now theta will be equal to this is 7642, 252 by, I think you can still cancel 2 18 times and 2 9s 2 5 times. It becomes theta is 63 by 5 degrees. 63 by 5 degrees. But we should not do like that. No? 63 by 5 degrees, again we have to convert. How? Theta is 63 by 5 means 12 degrees 3 by 5 minutes. Again, 12 degrees 3 by 5 into 60 minutes. It will get cancelled. 12 degrees 36 minutes. No seconds here. Now see the fifth question. Circle of diameter 40. That means radius is 20. Length of the chord. Chord means this one. This length is 20 again. Find the length of the arc. He need L. Okay. See, this is radius. This is 20 and this is 20. Obviously angle will be 60. They didn't give us angle 60, but we did angle 60 because the chord is 20 and the radius is 20. It forms an equilateral triangle. So the angle in the equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. So what is the formula of L? Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Okay, theta is 60 by 360 into 2 into pi into radius is 20. 6 times 3, it will be 20 pi by 3. They didn't ask us to convert into degrees, so you can leave like that. Okay? Okay, see the sixth problem. What did they give? They give two angles. Theta 1 is 60 degrees and theta 2 is 75 degrees. What did they say? Same length. L1 equal to L2. L1 formula is theta 1 by 360 into 2 pi R1. Theta 2 by 360 into 2 pi R2. 2 pi cancel, 360 cancel. What did they ask? The ratio of the radii. Radii means R1 by R2 we need. R1 by R2 is theta 2 by theta 1. What is theta 2? 75 by 60. Directly you can do 5 15s, 5 12s. Again 3 5s, 3 4s. 5 by 4 is the ratio of the radii. Okay? See in the next question, the question is about pendulum swings its length. We think that when pendulum swings its length is 75, which is wrong. When pendulum length is given, that should be taken as radius. Pendulum length is radius and arc of length. In the first question, arc of length, L is equal to 10. Arc of length is given as 10. Okay? So, what did they ask us to find out? The angle in radians. Angle in radians means in terms of 2 pi or pi. So, L is equal to this. L means theta by 360 into 2 pi r is equal to 10. You should write it in radians only. So, theta by 360 into 2 pi, radius is 75, is equal to 10. 5 15s, 5 7s 35, 2 again 236, again 3 5s, 3 12s, 5 2 times, right. Okay, we do like this. Angle in radians they ask, no? So theta is equal to 10 into 360 by 2 pi r. R is 75. Since the angle is asked in terms of radians, we take into pi by 180. Then 180 into 2, 2 pi gets cancelled. 5 2s, 5 15. 2 by 15 is the angle in radians. Suppose in the next question, what did they give? L is equal to 15. Second one. Same ditto. Same process. L means theta by 360 into 2 pi r is 15. So theta is equal to 15 into 360 by 2 pi r is 75, because this is same for all the three problems, into pi by. Why into pi by 180? We are asked to convert it into radians. 2 gets cancelled. 5 3s, 15 5s are. It becomes 1 by 5. In the same way, L equal to third one, 21. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r is equal to 21. Theta is equal to 21 into 360 by 2 pi r into pi by 180. So 2 pi gets cancelled. 21 by 75. 3 7s, 3 15s. Answer is 7 by 50. Okay.